Hey guys, we're back at SSB today. I made a video a while back on how to, upgrade your fog light kit or upgrade your car to have fog lights. I didn't realize that we made it for the turbo model, which is completely different than the base models. And so today I got my hands on an 18 for a customer, and so we're gonna go ahead and put a kit on for him for free, show you guys how it's done. But this is only going to work for it's only going to work for a 17, 18 model Forester. Doesn't matter if it's base or not. It doesn't have it, as long as it's got this bumper cover, which only comes on the 17, 18 model. You'll be able to put this kit on. It's almost a complete factory kit. Give you Forester an upgrade of the fog lights, brighter. So a couple things you'll need. These brackets, these are OEM brackets. There's a right and left on these fog light brackets. And I ordered a set of fog lights aftermarket, but these are really nice ones. You can get the LED ones, which are even nicer, but I got a pair of these. So there's a right and left. This is a right bracket. This is a right fog light. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these fog lights in. Let's see. I hope I didn't put them in upside down, because I may have put them upside down, and it's not good if I put them upside down. Let's do this. Before putting these in here, I gotta figure out which way these brackets go on the bumper. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna raise this car up, and let's get the liners out of the way. So there's a couple clips here you guys gotta remove. There's one little clip right here. Remove that guy. There's one right here. Remove that guy. There's one behind it over here. Remove that guy. And there's one up here in the corner. I don't know if you can see, but remove that guy. So I get 4 clips to remove. And then there's one number 10 that holds up on right here. Pull this guy out. Okay. Now, take this and just peel it back. It should come back pretty easy. Voila. Now, let's see. Bend this in there so we can see it here. This guy needs to come out. And comes out this way. These little tabs, you push these little tabs, and this cover comes out. This bracket needs to go literally behind here. Let me see how this thing goes. But it sits like so. And this is the left side. This is the left side fog light. So we're gonna go ahead and slide this in like so. And we're gonna go ahead and there's number 10 bolt. It goes into here. Bracket. I'm gonna put that in, and there's also a clip, this type of a clip that goes right into here. There it goes. Then we're gonna put this 10 in, like so. So now the fog light is installed properly onto the bracket. Okay. So what we're gonna do is let's go ahead and put the other, this fog light, since we've seen how that one is. Let's go ahead and put this one in as well on this side, and get some of these loose things out of the way. So let's put this clip on first. Okay, where's my 10? There's a special 10. Over here. I'm gonna put this bracket on. Okay, now, here you go. Fog lights installed on the brackets. Now, we're gonna go and upgrade the left side first. They got these weird clips of this kind, and there's one 10 that goes up there. Let me raise this up some more so you can see what we're doing. So look at, let's see how I can get one of these clips in there to hold this thing. Okay, I got one in. This thing slides in like that. Like that. This clip in there, I got one in there. And so we're missing the 10 up here. You got a 10 bolt. Needs to go up here and over that thing. And then I got a ratchet here. And get that bolt from the top. Snug. One clip down here. This thing bit, and then there's one clip up top. So fog light's solidly in there now. Okay, got that in. Now come here, I'm gonna show you guys. All these Foresters come pre-wired with fog light kit, even the base model, fog light wiring. See this blue right here? This guy? Right here. This is your fog light plug. I'm pre-wired. Plug this puppy in. Boom. That's it. This fog light's installed. Let's peel this plastic back. Okay. And let's go ahead and reinstall this plastic. Put your 10 in right here. Right there. Boom. And yeah, what, four clips? 1, 2, 3, and the most important one right here. 4. Okay. This side fog light's done. Now let's go to the other side. Exact same setup, exact same way. Let's go ahead and remove the number 10 on this side. Boom. I'm now removing and replacing these fog lights. If it's on the floor, oh man, I feel sorry for you guys. 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So what we'll do is I'm gonna peel this thing back so you guys can get a better view of the situation. All right, look at that. There's a fog light wire right here. There's a little guy right here we gotta take out. See the little pin right here? Pushing my nail. Push this guy out of here. I'm gonna go ahead and try to put this head in for on the top. Aha, look at that, it went in. Gotta get these clips in. There's that one on the bottom right here. Went pretty easy. Oh yeah. There's one up top. Oh yeah, that was easy. By golly. I'll tighten this 10 up here. Plug this guy in. Voila. Now, let's roll the plastic back. Put my 10 back in. Which goes right here. Right up there. Make sure we get our clips back in order. Got 1, got 2, 3, and there's one right here. All right, we're halfway done. So guys, I'll show you guys now how to remove the covers and reinstall the fog lights, upgrade the fog light kit to this car. So now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna lower the car down, push it out. I'm gonna show you guys where to install the relay and the button to get the fog lights to fully function. Okay, we're only halfway done. The hard part's done, the rest of it's easy. Let me lower this car down and then show you guys the rest. All right guys, we got the fog light installed in the front, the hard stuff, all the equipment. So now we're gonna put the switch in and the relay. So grab a pick and you wanna pull, this cover off. This cover right here, get behind here. Pull that out of the way. Got one screw right here. Remove that screw and then just gently just pull on this panel, will come out. And it's got 2 plugs right here. I want to unplug these plugs. There's one right here, and then there's one that I can't do with my finger, but there's a plug right there. Push that and that pops out. Okay, and then gotta take this screw out. And push this tab back, this tab back, and voila. We're gonna go ahead and cut this guy out. Okay, you use a knife, score it enough times, it'll pop out. I got a little Dremel, we'll get in and Dremel it out real quick, and I'll show you guys the rest. So, again, this process from here on out to do the switch and the relay is the same on all the Foresters, but the fog light brackets today we put on the bumper is only for a 17-18 model non-turbo. If you have a turbo model, check out the other video we made for the turbo fog light kit upgrade. This is for a non-turbo model fog light upgrade kit. So voila. We'll get a switch real quick. So here's the factory part number for the fog light switch, guys. It's a H4510FJ000. Some of you guys are asking, you know, what part numbers. There's the part number, there's the switch. And the switch actually goes onto here, and the little groove at the bottom right here goes in like that. Put this cover over the top. Oop. There's a switch. Now, gotta put that screw back in. Now, see this wire right here wrapped in pink? This is the fog light switch. Boom. Okay. Go ahead and plug that into here. Go ahead and plug these guys back in where they came from. Boom and boom. This needs to go back. Let's see, how come that's out? Oh man. So this guy, these tabs go in here. Make sure you get it in nice and smooth. Don't break them. Don't force it. Make sure they all go in, and it should just go. Simple as that. Very simple. There's no. Don't be banging on it. It won't. It's not gonna work for you. That back in. Put this cover back on. there's your switch. Now we gotta go to the other side because there's a relay spot. Put a relay in, and the fog lights will be fully functional. All right, guys, this is a fog light relay. You know, you need this for after you put the fog light switch in, you need this relay for the fog light relay to be installed, or else none of it's gonna work. Down here, it's gonna be a little hard to show on the camera. There's a cover right here. You pull this cover off, like so. And just pull on it. It's got two of these at the ends, and then one in the middle. That out of the way, there's a right down here. You know, maybe I'll take a picture of my cell phone and show you guys exactly where it's at. So let's do that. Okay, I don't know if you see on my camera. Once you pull that cover off, next to the Denso, there's a relay spot right here. That's where it goes in. If you switch it over, you can see where I put it in right there. That's where the relay goes. It's hard to do with the camera underneath there, but that's where the relay needs to go. It only goes one way, so if you put it the other way, it doesn't want to go, flip it around. The two prongs facing downwards, those sit at the bottom, the two at the top go like this. That's how the relay goes for the fog light. That's fog light relay. Now, put this clip back in. Put this clip back in and put this clip back in. That's all done. Let's start this car and see if the fog lights work. Hey, what do you know? Fog lights do work. It's a bit of a process, but they do work. And it's hot. That's the end of that install job. Pretty simple, cut forward. If you're looking to upgrade your fog light kit on your Forester, maybe you have fog lights you want to upgrade to different fog lights, you can. Again, this is for a base model Forester. We did the install on today, but you can do obviously 17, 18 Forester non-turbo. This is the kit. Put it together. We do sell the kit. Runs about 200 bucks. Comes with the switch, the relay, the fog light, the clips, and the brackets. So if you need one, give us a buzz. Check out our video, like us, turn the subscriber button on, I guess. We're constantly creating content. And look forward to some more videos. That's about it.